So today I'm going to be reviewing the Vewior 2-in-1 humidifier. So let's unbox it. The first thing that you see is the manual on how to operate it. So then it's really protected in this bubble wrap. It's very light, very portable. Before you start using the humidifier, you first have to remove the adapter, and the adapter is inside here. So the humidifier consists of a top and cover, and it consists of the humidification unit cover, and inside it you'll find your adapter, also a brush to use to clean your humidifier, and here is the water tank. And you can see this water tank is leak resistant, so when you're filling up the water, you do not want to put any water in here. You can put water through these sections right over here, or you can take out the top area and put water inside. This is both a humidifier and a diffuser. It stores 4.5 liters of capacity. So once I turn it on, easy, very easy, the steam starts coming out. Low setting will last about 60 hours, the medium setting will last 25 hours, and the high setting will last 13 hours. I love how durable it is. I just especially love how quiet it is. It's very quiet, and it is so easy to clean out. All you just have to do is take out the top and wash the inside. Once you're done with your humidifier, all you just have to do is just cover the top and you're good to go. So this is a great addition to your home to clean out the hair, to make everywhere smell good. Use it as a humidifier, use it as a diffuser, and I absolutely love it.